Hello, friends. Good evening to everyone. This is Sujata connecting from Bangalore. Well, friends, welcome to Hi Fi Space, which is born to change the world. It is important for all of us to understand that every day, in fact, every moment, right from the moment that we are born, some or the other kind of change is happening constantly in our bodies, in our minds, in our environment, all over the world as well. So, it is very apt if we say that change happens everywhere and we too change because of the world, and the world also changes because of us. So, this is once again a very reciprocal thing. So, it works either ways. Now, why is Hi Fi Space saying that it is born to change the world? This is because all the changes that are happening in our lives are not always welcome changes. There are many negative changes as well as positive changes, right? So, when there are negative changes, that is the time when we decide that it's time for us to look out for something really positive, which can really create a great impact in our life. Now, the time is ripe and the time is right for us to start looking out for new venues, because over the past few years, especially after the pandemic period, we are seeing that there's a lot of unwanted changes, unrequired changes, which are actually not very welcome. And especially on the materialistic side, especially with money matters, all of us are suffering a lot. So, this means that this is the time for us to start looking out for something really fruitful, which can really give us good results. And I'm sure many of us have gotten into a lot of different kinds of businesses or business platforms or marketing platforms, whatever. And I'm sure we are not happy with whatever we are doing. Because of late, I'm also hearing from many people that, the kind of money that is coming in is very, very less and it's not enough for anything at all because expenses are mounting day by day by day. This being the situation, what we really have to think about is, are we going to enter a new platform which is really going to give us the kind of success that we have been looking for all our lives? Yes, my friends, this is a completely automated, innovative, interactive community platform. Now, community means that all of us are going to be a part of this community platform, meaning we are ourselves going to become a small little world, Hi Fi world. Okay, we are going to become one group or one family. Okay, now this Hi Fi community will be involved only in donation based crowdfunding activities, meaning all of us are going to get here together and we are going to start helping each other by contributing a little of our own money just once from our own hands, and then we are going to be we are going to be receiving return donations, because of which our life is also going to get better. So, Hi Fi Space is actually a life changing new age earning system. Okay, so I'm sure most of you feel that I'm talking about two contradictory things, because when we're talking about a donation, it goes without saying that we are donating or giving away something without any expectation. But here, I'm once again saying that we're going to get back donations, meaning something is going to come back to us in return. Now, these are definitely two contradictory things, because we have always been taught in life that, when we give, we have to give without expectation. What needs to come, God knows, and He will send to us at the right time. Right? So, here, let us assume that God has heard our prayers, okay, and He has understood that whatever little we have, out of that we are contributing a little. Because of that, He is pleased that we are trying to help others, which is the reason why He is, giving us back a lot and lot and lot more than what little we are giving. So let us assume that this community of like minded people are people who believe in this kind of karma theory, and also people who have come here because they want money. So two things: one is they believe in helping, sharing, caring, because of which we will be able to wash away our sins. Maybe it is our sins or bad karma or curses or destiny, because of which we have been suffering all our lives. Maybe we do not know what we have done in our previous life or many lives. So something like that has brought about all these bad things in this present life. So we believe that by doing good to others, some good deed of ours is going to get us a lot of good karma. That is, we call it punya in our South Indian languages. I do not know what it is called in Sri Lankan language. However, this, according to me, is the easiest method to change your destiny. So, my friends, I have been reading a lot of books about this topic called karma theory, and definitely I have found a lot and lot of proofs to establish the fact that by doing a good deed, definitely good is going to happen to us. So, here in this community platform, which is called By the People for the People, people who are already in a lot of trouble, like you and me, will be getting together and helping other people also like us and our own friends who are also in trouble. So, we people are going to help each other, try to bring a little bit of changes, positive changes in each other's lives. So, one by one, when this cycle goes round and round and round, what will happen? Finally, there'll be a change in the world that we are living in. So this is like, that game that we used to play when we were small children, where, you pass the ball around. All the children are seated in a circle and you pass around a ball, right? So this is a game like that. Okay. So in this game, what are we going to play? We are going to pass a good deed. We are passing it forward. So passing it from person to person to person. So what will happen ultimately? The giver becomes the receiver. That means I begin by giving a donation. As soon as I do that, which is a one-time thing, after that, I become a receiver and I start receiving again and again and again, lifelong recurring. Okay. So the law of the universe says that when you give generously and willingly, you will definitely receive back abundantly. And it comes with a lot of gratitude, because when we give, we don't know really what kind of situation the receiver is in. So if they're in a very bad situation, definitely from their minds, some kind of a blessing will come for the person who has helped them. So they need not know our name, they need not know our face. Still, at least they will say, let the sender of this money be happy in life. That is a wonderful blessing, my friends. Can you tell me of any kind of a shopping app where we can buy these blessings? I don't think there's any such app. I've never come across any app, I've never come across any mall, any shopping complex where blessings are sold. No matter whether you're ready to give even crores of rupees, you will not be able to buy this. All right. So this wonderful platform called Hi-Fi Space is definitely going to give us a lot of positive changes. Why? Because first of all, it's a completely decentralized platform, meaning that it comes to us with a lot of freedom. There's nobody here who's sitting as a central authority. Next, it is very transparent, as in the entire activities and where the money is coming from, where it is coming to, to whom it is going. Everything is absolutely transparent. We can see everything, we can read everything, we can understand everything. It is legalized because we are not doing any illegal task here. We are not going against any government rules. So absolutely legalized. So I think it is justified to say that this is a zero risk platform and we need not feel any kind of stress and tension. Now, to add to what I said just now, I would like to tell you that there is no company involved here, no company which is in charge of this platform. Hence, no owner or founder or CEO or MD or a GM or someone or some admin or authority who is making rules or conditions. Nobody who is giving you targets. Nobody who is going to give you time limits and say you have to do this much, you have to achieve this much within so and so time. So absolute freedom, like I said earlier. And the money is also absolutely very, 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 very secure and safe, because it is 100% P2P platform, meaning person to person, the money travels from the giver directly to the receiver. It does not go through somebody else. It does not get parked somewhere in between. So within hardly a few seconds, which we call real time, the money goes and reaches the receiver, which is the reason why there is no necessity for any kind of a withdrawal button or a withdrawal procedure here, meaning that there is no waiting, no delay. Just imagine, friends, even if you are the CEO of some big company, you still have to wait for one whole month, and it's only on the first of the next month that you will be receiving your salary, right? But in this kind of a platform, in Hi-Fi especially, money comes to you within seconds. So you are growing rich second by second. Right. The next few minutes will be dedicated for a few technical details, technological details. Now, I want you to understand that I'm not trying to scare you. I'm not talking about any kind of rocket science. Please don't feel scared. The next 15 to 20 minutes, whatever information I give you, it is not necessary for you to learn them by heart or understand them. Okay, it is just that I have to give you information, and I'm giving you information. Even if you don't understand most of it or the entire thing, it's okay. You will still be able to earn money here. Okay. Right. So www.hifispace.com is our official website. Now, in this official website, there's absolute security, safety, privacy, transparency. Why? Because it is based on Web3 technology. Now, Web1 technology was a read-only technology way back, and then when Web2 came into the picture, what happened? All of us had absolute freedom to get into all the websites. We started left, right, and center. We started posting our personal details, our personal pictures, and whatnot. Because of that, hackers had easy access to all our personal information. Okay, so this proved very fatal for most of us. Now, since the governments have understood that this is actually proving to be very perilous or dangerous for all of us, now something called Web3 technology has been developed, where you're not even required to give your KYC, meaning your Aadhaar card details, or your complete name, or your date of birth, or your account details. Nothing is necessary for you to create an ID here. Okay, that is one thing. This mainly means that you have absolute protection against hackers. So nobody will be able to hack into your account and take away your money. They will not be able to make use of your personal data and sell it to other companies. So all these things do not happen. One thing you must understand is our official website has this very special feature of changing the language. So I advise, please, when you have time, do get into the website, go through the FAQs, learn all the information that is there. Okay, because whatever we tell you during these 40 minutes is just one part of it. We won't be able to touch all the points completely. Okay, now this is a completely technology based platform, meaning there is no human intervention anywhere from the management side or the administration side. Okay, so there is no human being who's sitting there and who's logging in during his shift hours, who's switching on who is actually booting the computer or switching on whatever is necessary for the activities to happen. Okay, so no such thing happens. Completely taken over by technology, meaning the first part is about this artificial intelligence. Now, who doesn't know artificial intelligence? It has invaded all the fields, so everyone has heard of AI. AI is appearing here in the form of a super intelligent algorithm system first, and then it takes over and gradually starts doing so many other activities by which it will be actually working as our personal assistant. Okay, so what happens is, because it is technology and not a human being, it does not require any kind of a holiday or any kind of a break. So it works non-stop, 24/7, 365 days of the year. Okay, so what it does is, this hi-fi space has ideas of changing the entire world. This means that people from any part of the world can take up a membership in this community, right? So all the people of the entire world or from any part of the world will actually be considered as one single unified group. Okay, or one single unified community. All of them will be receiving equal kind of benefits. Okay, and all of them will be getting a placement in a specially designed structure. This structure is called a space matrix. Why are everyone being placed into this structure is because Hi-Fi Space has come to the conclusion that the wealth distribution system in this world is not at all right, which is the reason why we see one extreme where there are only rich people, the other extreme is only poor people. Okay, and we are all the middle class who are neither here nor there. So we are struggling, right? We are somewhere in between. So Hi-Fi Space is aiming at bringing about a revolutionary distribution, wealth distribution system, wherein wealth can be distributed in a free-flowing manner, very equally, very organized manner, symmetrically, in a balanced manner, so that everyone becomes rich. Okay, that is all that is happening here in the hi-fi system. Okay, isn't this very interesting, my friends? I think this is very interesting because nobody has ever told us that only wealth distribution is going to happen and nothing else is going to happen in any kind of a business, right? So let us go about understanding a little more about this. Technology has already entered all our lives, right? So we are seeing technology in every field. Here, two more bits of technology that I would like you to understand is, when I said that this is absolutely hack free. Okay, what I meant was, there is a programming which has happened here that is in the form of smart contracts. So what AI does is, AI looks after some of the activities, then it gives a signal to the smart contracts, and smart contracts will make sure that the money reaches the receivers on time, and all the transactions are recorded in this blockchain technology, which is once again tamper proof. So nobody can make any kind of changes. They cannot delete, they cannot add, nothing can be done, no modifications whatsoever. And because we require one easy and convenient currency for all the people from all parts of the world to be able to transact easily, we will be using cryptocurrency, that is a new age virtual or digital currency. Now, when I talk about crypto, most of the time I see that a lot of people get very scared. You need not be scared, friends, because this is something like, see, we are already using the UPI system here. Yeah, UPI, like the Google Pay or your Phone Pay. What's happening? We are only seeing numbers on our phone screen. We are sending money, we are receiving money. All that is happening, through online apps only, right? So here also this something similar is going to happen. We will not be dealing with any kind of cash. Not it is not tangible or touchable money. Okay, so suffice for us to understand that this is something which is virtual only. Okay, so this is called Polygon USDT, meaning a tether coin which has a value that is equal to the US dollar. Okay, this is a cryptocurrency, and this is also known as a stable coin because its value remains more or less stable. It is not volatile like the Bitcoin, which is known as the mother coin. Okay, so Bitcoin, actually the value is always going up, and it began somewhere, and today it is, I don't know, I think it's going into lakhs. The value is going into lakhs. What we must understand is, through the use of this technology, first thing is there'll be low transaction fees. Second thing is the transactions are going to happen very, very quickly without any waiting time in between. Third thing is this is absolutely hack free or tamper free. And fourth thing is, because there are no human beings involved, there are no negative feelings involved here. So completely positive attitude alone, right? So let us move forward and understand how we sign up into this beautiful system. Okay, signing up involves 3 different steps. In the first step, we will see that we have to actually we have to actually download and install a crypto wallet. We have more than 300 crypto wallets which are available for free download in our Play Store, Google Play Store. You can install any of them. Most of the people install either SafePal or TP, which is Token Pocket. You can see it here. Second line, second one is SafePal. Third line, first one is Token Pocket. Right. So most people are using only these 3, probably because they're very user friendly. Okay, you can use any of them. One word of caution is, please be very careful with the 12 passwords that you get from the app at the time of installation. Okay, so this is known as a seed phrase. This is very important for us because without these 12 passwords plus one of your own, 13 passwords altogether, if you lose any of these, there is no forgot password option. And second thing is, if anyone else is able to get their hands onto this, it means that they will have complete access to our money. So we have to be very careful. Please write down all these in a separate notebook or a diary. Keep your closest family members informed about it, and keep it very safely in your locker. Do not leave any of these information in your phone, not even in the form of a screenshot or anything. Right. Second step is, if you have been invited by somebody to the Zoom presentation, and if you decide to join, this person will henceforth be known as your inviter or your sponsor or your introducer. Now this inviter will be sending you an affiliate link through WhatsApp. Now what is this affiliate link? Affiliate link is something like a referral link through which you will get connected to your inviter. Okay, and this connection remains for life. We will see later why this connection is important. So what will happen is, after you receive this affiliate link, along with this affiliate link, you will have to give one single donation from your hand. Okay, by doing these 2 things, you will be able to activate your ID and become a member of this community. Now, what is this donation? Can you see in the center of the screen? It is $50 Joe Talk, meaning $50 just one time out of pocket. Okay, so this $50 is something that you'll have to give as a donation, and only then your ID will get activated, and only then you can become a member of the Hi-Fi community. Now, from where are we going to get dollars? Right. What you have to do is, $50 is something closely approximately equal to 5,000 Indian rupees. Okay, so you can send 5,000 rupees through any of the UPI apps to your friend, the inviter. What he will do is, since he is already working in Hi-Fi community, he's already a part of this community, he will have dollars. He will take the Indian rupees that you have sent into his bank account, and he will send $50 from his crypto wallet into your crypto wallet. See, so easy, right? We got our dollars. So it is like I told you, this is not at all rocket science. This is very, very easy. And at any point in time, if you want to understand how much is $50 or how much is whatever money you receive here, because all the donations, return donations that you receive will also be in the form of dollars. If you want to understand that, the conversion can happen within few seconds, because in all our phones we have this calculator, right? Or we can ask Google as well, right? Okay. Next thing, the third step, the actual activation. Now you have $50 ready. You have your inviter's affiliate link ready. So making use of these two, how to sign up is something your introducer will take care of. So he will be there with you and he will guide you step by step. Right. So when you send this donation, what happens is this $50 Joe Top actually gets split into two portions. One is 20%, one is 80%. 20% is $10, 80% is $40. 20% goes to your inviter. Okay, and 40% goes to the community. Whose community? Anyone who has gotten into this hi-fi space platform, either before you or people who get in after you. Everyone together becomes community. Okay, but in this case, when you give a Joe Top starter donation, the amount goes to 3 people in your uplines, that is A, B and C, okay, who have gotten in before you. So these 3 people will be getting $2.5, $12.5 and $25. So what do we see here? When you add up all these, you will understand that there's 100% distribution to receivers and it is happening in real time, right? So that means on the spot, the money is going and reaching these people. Do you remember, friends, a few minutes ago I said blessings are something that comes from the heart. We do not know in what kind of a situation the receiver is in. So when suddenly money comes from somewhere, definitely whether he likes it or not, whether he wants to or not, a word of blessing will come from his heart. And that is what we cannot buy from anywhere. Now what is happening is when you are giving this one single donation, this is immediately going and helping 3 or 4 people on the spot, right? So what is happening in hi-fi spaces, we are not donating to some people who's there somewhere on the roads, or some people that who we don't even know, just going on the road and you help someone. It's not like that. Here we are only helping people who are all members of this community only. So all of us get into this community and all of us help each other, and we also get in more number of people because we want to help more number of people. And when they come in, they are also giving a donation and thereby they are also helping us. So this helping goes on and on and on. Okay, so now your ID has been activated. Now you're an active donor. This means you are eligible for permanent benefits. What are these permanent benefits? First of all, you're going to get a permanent position in the blockchain. Remember I told you, in the blockchain, every transaction gets recorded. So the amount that you have given, that starter donation, that also gets recorded in the blockchain, because of which what will happen, your ID will get recorded in the blockchain. And this means that there is nobody here, no company, no one in the admin who is sitting here to watch over you and say, hey, you didn't do what work I gave you, so I'm going to deactivate your account. No, there's no one here who's going to say that. This means your ID, which is already active, is going to remain active lifelong. And not just lifelong, even after you leave this earth and go away, it's going to continue to your next generations in your family, right? Okay. So this starter donation of $50 Joe Top, which is equal to 5,000 rupees approximately, will be earning you back 3 lakh rupees or $3,450 in the form of return donations. So we are giving a donation, others are also giving us donations. This is happening in a reciprocal manner. Giving and taking is something which is what is known as a universal law. There's no give without take and there's no take without give. So giving and receiving keeps happening all the time, all through our lives, right? So what you receive from others will be lifelong, recurring, infinite, unlimited, and this kind of income is something you can call it countless, endless, okay? And it will come in the form of return donations from 155 IDs. Now from where did this number come? What is this 155? That's what I'm going to explain to you next. Okay, multiples of 5 in hi-fi space. As the name itself suggests, hi, H-I, hi, is a short form of H-I-G-H, hi. So here, all of us have gotten into this platform because we have this desire to go up into higher planes, into higher stages in our lives. That means we want to progress, we want to develop in our lives, we want more money, we want a better lifestyle, right? So that is the meaning of hi. The number 5 is very important because here you will see everything in Hi-Fi Space is connected to the number 5. It will be in multiples of 5. Okay, and space is what I'll be explaining to you next. Space is equal to different stages of life. Okay, here we will be earning 5 different kinds of incomes. Now, many of my friends will not agree when I say 5 different kinds of incomes, because we only know that we have given 2 incomes to our inviter and to the community when we came in. Then how can I get 5 incomes back? Because everything is reciprocal here. Okay, let me explain. Just like how you gave $10 to your inviter, you will also be receiving an invite donation, $10. Just like how you gave $40 to A, B, and C, you will also be receiving this community donation. Okay, so these are the 2 main incomes. Apart from that, this AI technology that we were talking about earlier, that has certain magical powers, I call it. Okay, these special magical powers will be used by AI, and it will make sure that it puts aside funds from whatever money we are earning, and it gives us 3 different kinds of incomes called upgrade income, re-entry income, and PIF income. Okay, so I will be talking more about all this in the coming slides, and I will explain in detail. Okay, now first let us understand what are these 5 spaces. Can you see this girl on top? She's climbing up the stairs, meaning she wants to go from a lower floor to the next floor, a higher floor. Similarly, in our lives also, if we want to move higher and higher, it means we have to go up step by step, right? So here there is something called space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 spaces. Each space is 5 times larger than the previous space. So the amount of money that you will be earning from each space is also 5 times more than the previous space. Okay, you can see for yourself, all of us are entering space 1 by giving a starter donation of $50 Jota. That means once only from our pockets. After you enter space 1, like I said, you will be eligible for earning $3,450. Now, how we are going to earn is something I have not yet explained. That will come next. Okay, so once you earn $3,450, then from there, Hi-Fi Space says that it is going to send you into space 2 and help you to earn 5 times of $3,450, that is $11,625. And similarly in space 3, space 4, and space 5. Now, if we have to earn that much of money, does it also not mean that we have to pay that much of a starter donation again and again? Yes, we have to pay. But the most wonderful thing is we do not have to pay from our hands. Okay, AI is going to take care of all that. So what will AI do? Like I already said, AI is going to put aside a little money, and from that money, from that fund, it is going to pay the starter donations for these other 4 spaces, and it will give us a free automatic upgrade or a promotion. See, from $3,450, it is going to put aside $250. When the time comes, it will pay this amount on our behalf and give us the eligibility to earn $11,625. Okay, so in space 2, all you have to do is sit down and enjoy whatever money is coming, because there's nothing for you to do, because space 2, 3, and 4, and 5 are completely automated, completely in the hands of AI technology. Okay, so once again, from this $11,625, $1,250 will be put aside by this AI. It will make this payment, this entry donation, and it will make sure that you earn this amount, $58,125. So similarly, this happens in space 4 and 5 also. So each space is giving you more and more and more income, meaning you are moving up higher and higher. And what are you required to do? Are you paying any amount again and again? No. You have given one single donation of $50 only once, and that's it, friends. You do not have to shell out even one single rupee or one single dollar ever again. Now, how does this income get generated? Okay, let us see that. Remember, friends, this is not a business platform. This is a help and earn system that we have gotten into. This is totally different from any network business that you have done earlier. This is completely very, very, very special and unique. There are so many magical things that happen here, which we will never even imagine is possible. Okay, so here we are only building a community of like-minded people who are all interested in making money also, and who are also okay to help and care and share. Okay, so everything begins from you, or it begins from me. Okay, so when it begins from you, what are we expected to do? We are doing a good deed. We have already done the good deed, right? What was the good deed? We gave a donation, right? What is another good deed that is expected from us? That is helping a friend. How? I will tell you how. After you help the friend, you will be solving his problems. Because of this, there will be a change in his life, a positive change. Because of that, he will be sending blessings to you, whoever you are. He might not know your face or name, right? You are receiving his blessings. This is going to reduce your bad karma. Because of that, you're going to earn good karma. Because of that, you are also going to get lots of money rewards. I'm using the word rewards because it is definitely a reward from the universe or from God, however you want to take it. Okay, so this is a reward. Once all this happens, definitely there's going to be a change in your life. So this is how, when this chain continues again and again and again, all of us can make sure that we are bringing about a change in the world. So this is what all of us are expected to do, my friends. This is what all the people who have gotten into hi-fi space have already started doing, and I'm very proud to say that I'm a part of this platform. All right, so what are we going to do? We are going to invite other people who we know, who are also in a lot of trouble just like us. Now, I would like to remind you, what kind of friends do we make? People who are similar, who have similar thoughts like us, a thought process which is similar to us, which also means that who are also in some kind of a problem like us. Yeah, because that is when you are able to sit together and open your hearts and talk to each other, sympathize, empathize. That is what a friend is there for. Otherwise, would there be this kind of saying, a friend in need is a friend indeed, right? So all this means that we have a lot of friends in our contact list who are also in a lot of trouble. So what are we expected to do? We are supposed to invite these people and tell them, see, there's a wonderful platform here about which there is a Zoom presentation happening every day. I have gotten into this platform and I'm seeing a lot of positive changes in my own life. I'm inviting you, please come and listen to the presentation. Not once, not twice, not 3 times, even 10 times. You don't have to buy a ticket. It's all absolutely free. You can listen to it in any language of your own choice, because all the sessions begin from 4:55 in the morning and go on till almost 11 in the night. And it's there through the week. All right. And then we have so many training sessions as well. So many things are happening here. All this is being done by a special team called a special team called Global Support Team. Okay, we call it the GST. Okay, now this GST is taking care of all this and helping a lot of people. So please tell your friends to come and sit down and listen to the presentation, and make it a point to tell them that you're not going to force them to join here, because this is a platform which is giving all of us absolute 100% freedom. No rules, no conditions. Remember, when the platform is not making any rules or conditions for us, who are we to make conditions for others, right? So give them freedom. Tell them, just come and listen any number of times. If you feel satisfied, then you can consider joining. Otherwise, I am not going to give you any kind of trouble. Please say this, only then your friends will come and sit down for a presentation, right? So when you invite a friend, just like how your inviter gave you an invite link, similarly, you will also have an invite link of your own. This is known as your own affiliate link. You can give this link to any number of people. You can invite any number of people. There is nothing like, pair matching. What is this? I haven't actually worked with any network systems myself, so I don't know much about it. But I do know that there's something called a pair matching, and there's something like, you can decide where to place a person, give him a placement and all that. Here, nothing like that happens, friends. Okay, you invite anyone. It can be any number of people. Once they get into the system using your invite link, how they are placed, where they are placed, everything is taken care of by AI. So nothing is in our hands. Only thing is, the smart contract will make sure that whatever money you're supposed to receive, it comes to you on time. That's all. So you don't have to worry about anything else at all. All you have to do is give a one-time donation from your pocket. And second thing is, invite as many number of people, telling them that you would like to bring about a good change in their lives. That is all. Okay. So once you do this, what will happen is, the friend that you have invited, if he joins, he will also be giving you $10 immediately on the spot from his starter donation. Not as in, he will not be directly giving it to you. The technology here will make sure that that amount comes to you from his starter donation. Similarly, just like how you got an upgrade into other spaces, a free upgrade, your friend will also be getting free upgrades into other spaces. So when you or he travel to other spaces, from there, once again, this AI will be paying all these starter donations, and out of that, once again, 20%, meaning $50, $250, $1,250, and $6,250 will come back to you once again, because there is this special rule called follow the sponsor, or a grandparent rule. This means that your friend's ID is going to come in search of your ID wherever your ID is there. Okay, and the AI will make sure that by looking at this link, it will make sure that this money comes to you only, no matter whichever space you are in, and no matter whichever space your friend is in. Okay, and this keeps happening again and again and again, because there are so many other magical things also which happen here, like compounding of IDs, re-entry IDs, so many other things keep happening. I will talk to you more about it when I come to those spots. Okay, so this kind of amount will keep coming to you again and again. Let us see how much it amounts to in Indian rupees. So this is close to 7 lakh rupees in from all 5 spaces together. Now I'm sure you'll feel, oh my god, when are we going to finish all 5 spaces, right? Okay, so don't wait for all 5 spaces. Start inviting people in space 1, any number of people, because there's an affiliate link. Okay, any number of people, doesn't matter. Just imagine every day, if you're able to invite one person, he joins, immediately you're getting 900 rupees. Done. That is all you're supposed to do. Invite him to a meeting, to a presentation, let him listen. If he's fine with it, get him to talk to any of your upliners. If you have all the answers to his questions, give him the answers and get him to log in. That's all. Take your 900 rupees, say bye-bye. If he requires help, come back and help him. That is all you have to do, nothing else, because there's no other work at all here, right? So like this, you'll be able to earn from each person every day also, if you're able to invite one person every day, right? So this happens again and again and again from each person. Now, the second kind of donation that we are receiving is the matrix or the community donation. Do you remember when you entered Hi-Fi Space and gave your starter donation? Out of that, 3 people ABC in the community received $2.5, $12.5 and $25, right? Similarly, I had also told you that you will be receiving a similar amount from anyone who joins here in this community, right? So let us see how you will be receiving that amount. The minute you enter Hi-Fi Space and become a member, you, meaning anyone also, will have the same kind of matrix below them. Okay, so this matrix is known as 3 level up and 3 level down matrix. Okay, so in this matrix there are only 5 positions in the first level, 25 positions in the second level, 125 positions in the third level, and the total is 155 positions. Okay, so this matrix will have only 155 positions. From these positions, you will be earning the amounts that you're seeing here. That is $2.5 from the 5 people who are in the first level, $12.5 from the 25 people in the second level, $25 from the 125 people in the third level, and totally this total comes to $40. In total, from the 155 positions, you will be earning $3,450. Okay, now who's going to fill up all these positions? Okay, now when we get into this Hi-Fi Space community, what was the oath that we took in our minds? We said we are going to help each other, we are going to help our friends. So when we start helping, it means that we are building their lives, right? We are creating positive happenings in their lives, right? So when we are building their futures, when we are changing their destiny, what will happen is you will start earning more and more and more money. This is definitely a team activity wherein you will not have to do anything all by yourself or all alone. Let us say you have invited some 10 or 15 friends to Zoom presentations and 5 of them have joined. The minute each of them joins, he will be paying you, or from his starter donation, AI will be paying you $2.5 because he is getting a position in the first level, and $10 as invite donation because you have invited him. So 10 plus 2.5, meaning $12.5 from each of these 5 people. Okay, now these 5 people are also going to start attending the Zoom presentations. They too have to do the same thing that you are supposed to do, which you are also doing. So suppose they decide to bring in 5 of their friends. So each one brings in 5, means your second level has completed. That is 25 people in the second level have come in without your participation at all. Or if you decide to bring in a 6th person, there's no more place in level 1. So that 6th person will be seated in somewhere in level 2. That means he will become a part of either A, B, C, D, E, these 5 people. They'll become a part of one of these 5 people's teams, right? So they'll become the first line for these 5 people. They'll become the second line for you, and they'll become the third line for A. This means first line, this person will be getting $2.5 because this new person, your 6th person, is your second liner or your second level person, so you will be getting $12.5, and this A will be getting $25. So like this, as a community, all of us are helping each other. Let us say A is also working very, very hard. He has a lot of friends. He also wants a lot of money, but the matrix below him has been completed. Okay, and there's no more place. Then what will happen when he brings in some people? These people will naturally come down and auto fill up one of these places. So wherever there is an empty space, this AI will make sure that that gap gets filled up. So anyone who comes from A also might come and fill up here. Anyone who is brought in by these 5 people also might come and fill up here. You might also bring in some people and fill up here. So anything can happen here, okay? And apart from this, like I told you, certain other magical things also happen, because of which, there's something like compounding of IDs, new re-entries happening, so many things happening here, because of which again and again and again, more and more IDs will be coming and filling up all the matrices for everyone, making sure that everybody gets $3,450 without any doubt. Okay, so Hi-Fi Space is bent upon making everyone successful. Please listen to me carefully. Hi-Fi Space is built upon making everyone a success. Alright, this is the most wonderful thing that we can ever think of. So, out of these 155 positions, what will happen is a total of 105 IDs, whatever amount comes from those IDs, will go into your personal wallet for your personal or private use. And the amount that comes from 50 IDs will go for community help. So once again, AI is making sure that we don't end up using all the amount. We also have to do a little bit of our social responsibility. So AI makes sure that we do that duty also. Okay, let us move forward and see how all this happens. I was talking to you about some wonderful magical capacities of AI. One is placement without gaps, like I just now mentioned. This AI will be watching from top to bottom and left to right, wherever there is a gap, like fill in the blanks that we used to do when we were back in school. Like that, it will fill in all the blanks. So whenever some new people enter this matrix, they will be given a placement according to where there is a gap, not according to where we want them to come and be seated. Okay, that is one thing. Second thing, there is something called fund reservation happening here. Fund reservation, as in, like I told you, $3,450 is something that we will be receiving from 155 IDs in space 1 and 5 times more in space 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So out of all those amounts, this AI will start putting aside a little funds in 3 different wallets known as escrow wallets. These are known as paid forward, upgrade and re-entry wallets. By putting aside money into these wallets, it will make sure that it will be able to conduct all those activities which require money again and again without us paying for it. Okay, because if all the money comes to us, what we do, we will use up all the money. And if in case you're getting a notification from Hi-Fi Space which says please get money ready for your upgradation, $250 required on so and so date, do you think you'll have that money? No, friends, you will not have the money, nor will I have the money, because all of us, we have this habit of not saving. And we are unable to save even if we want to, because we have so many commitments. So AI understands our problem, and AI starts putting aside money, and it makes use of that money whenever that time comes. Okay, so it will put aside money into this private wallet first. So all that you see here in red color, you can see the position numbers also, and this is level 1, level 2 and level 3. All the money that comes from the red figures here will go into your private wallet for your personal use. Okay, that amounts to $2,325. Next, in the second level, these yellow positions, whatever amount comes from here, that will be equal to around $125. This amount cannot be used for us for our personal expenses. It has to be used only for activating an ID. This means that with this money, you can help others as well. Alright, if you're a very generous person, you can really help a person who is in need by activating an ID for him, freely, by using this money. That means $50 of your money you're using to help your friend. Or on the other hand, you can tell him, I will activate this ID for you. Once you start earning, please pay back my money to me. Second option. Third option, you can still make an ID for maybe someone in your own family. Alright, that is the third option. Whatever it happens, or if there is somebody else, who has the money, but at the time that he's joining, he requires some dollars, right? So you can activate his ID, take the money, and this $50 will be going for activating his ID, and he'll be repaying you immediately on the spot. That also can happen. Either ways, this can be used only for activation of a fresh ID. So this is known as paid forward. That means we are paying forward some kind of a kindness that we have received from others. Okay, way back maybe around 10 to 15 years ago, there was a Telugu film in which this concept had been introduced. I fail to remember the name of that movie, but however, it was a movie in which this payback concept was there. So here we are paying forward the kindness that we have received from someone. Okay, this is $125 for this purpose alone. Next comes the upgrade upgrade wallet. Do you see these blue positions here in level 3? So money that comes from here, that is around $250, will be put aside for giving us a promotion into space 2. Similarly, in space 2, from the same positions, 5 times more amount will be put aside by AI, and that will be enough for sending us into space 3. This happens in all the 5 spaces. Okay, friends? So this is called upgrade wallet. Next one is re-entry wallet. Now here, let us understand this other magical power of our AI. This is called compounding of clone IDs. What is clone? Clone means artificial and equivalent to something else. So when I talk about a clone ID, here I mean that I will be receiving some new IDs which are similar to, or which are like Xerox copies of my own ID. Okay, they are like twins. Okay, so here what happens is, these are not real IDs. You can call them artificial or fake IDs also, because they are not real people. That's why we call them only wallets, or we call them IDs. Okay, we don't call them people. What will happen is, here after the upgrade, see here in level 3, when these positions are filled up, our ID is going into space 2. That means these positions have not yet been filled. Okay, and the matrix is still empty. Also below that, the matrix is still growing. So to fill up all these places which are empty, what AI does is, it starts making use of money from all these green positions. And every time $50 comes from one of these positions, that 50 will be used for creating one new clone ID, one artificial ID. And that ID will get a re-entry into the matrix. It will not come and sit below us in our matrix. It will go in search of our introducer. Remember the grandparent role that I spoke to you about? Right. So that will be happening here. Then how is our matrix going to get filled? You know that you are inviting a few people here, right? Your friends. So when they get a re-entry ID, that will come in search of our ID. Okay, so this is how, once again, community gets help again and again and again. And these clone IDs, it's not happening just once. One ID will become 15 will become 225. So each time 15 new IDs will get created here in space 1. Similarly, it happens in the other spaces as well. And why are all these fake IDs created? Because everyone needs money. We can't sit and wait endlessly for real people to come and understand the concept and get into the platform and start giving donations and helping each other. This is going to take quite some time, right? So AI is helping us this way by creating artificial IDs also along with real people. These artificial IDs also get into the system, and all of them will be together filling up all the matrix positions for everyone. And from space 2 to space 5 onwards, what will happen? There'll be people coming in from other countries of the globe. All right. So AI is helping us thoroughly, my friends. There's hardly anything that we are doing here. Now let us see what will happen, how much money we are getting in the form of Indian rupees in each of these spaces. Okay. And how it is so easy for us to become a multimillionaire without doing anything. Okay. In space 1, like I told you, we are only bothered about that the red color wallet. Remember, the personal wallet. So the amount there was 2,325, because this is our own money. The rest of it is going into helping the community. So let's not bother about that. We have already seen how that goes and helps others. So this 2,325 is equivalent to approximately 2 lakh rupees. Okay, Indian rupees. And remember, our ID has got promoted and reached space 2, where it will start earning 5 times more income. Now 15 re-entry IDs have sprung up here all of a sudden. Yeah, without us doing anything, right? So 15 plus 1, 16 IDs, each one earns 2 lakh rupees, means that is equal to 32 lakh rupees in space 1. Now please tell me, friends, how much work did we do to earn 32 lakhs? How much money did we pay from our hands? Just $50 once, that is equal to 5,000 rupees. Now, will you agree with me when I say Hi-Fi Space is something unimaginable, miraculous, magical? Yes, there are more number of miraculous things happening here. See? You can see space 2, space 3, 4, 5, how much money is coming in, how many lakhs. I'm not going to read out all these figures. You can see for yourself. And how many re-entries will be coming, how many of them will go and help space 1, 2, 3, everything you can see for yourself. So everything that happens here is absolutely miraculous. One final word before I take leave of you, my friends. You are the boss. This platform belongs to you and me and everyone else in community. There's no company. We are not doing any business. We are not buying, selling, no gambling, lottery, no trading, no forex, no stocks or shares, no subscriptions, no investments, nothing at all. we're doing nothing, but we're earning such a lot of money. Space 2 to space 5 especially is like, you can consider it as your retirement time and you're receiving pension, because you've put in so much of hard work in space 1. You have invited maybe one or two people, such a difficult job, and you had to shell out $50. Oh my god, entire lifetime's earnings, right? Sorry, I was just being sarcastic, trying to make you people laugh. It's okay. So, thanks to the universe is something that all of us definitely have to say every day 1,000 times. Because here, everyone is easily going to make 3 million or 30 lakh US dollars. And we will be able to realize our dreams, achieve our goals, fulfill our ambitions, plus complete our social responsibilities as well. So this is such a wonderful earning system. I'm sure nobody has ever come across anything like this. Unlimited IDs, unlimited positions, unlimited donations, everything in the it's coming back in the form of an infinite earning, infinite. Okay, so this infinity sign you can see here. Hereafter, this is what we will. This is what is going to become our God. Okay, so we will have to keep on praying to AI and to this infinity symbol. So good luck to all of you, my friends. God bless you all. Thank you so much. And please do make sure to thank your inviter. Please let us bless the creator of this platform. And please also give me your blessings, please, because I gave you all this information. Thank you so much. Bye-bye and good night.